Introducing the Bluebox Co-pilot, the all-in-one smart driving assistant. One device, 4 powerful apps. Co-pilot is an AI-powered platform to build the future of smart cars. Just mount Co-pilot to your windshield, connect it to your OBD2 port, then hit the road. We designed Co-pilot to help with everything from car accidents to break-ins. The first app is called Dashcam. With its dual cameras, Co-pilot is always on loop, recording live video as you drive. Need to prove an accident wasn't your fault? You can browse Co-pilot's recorded videos and download them to your cloud storage or phone. Wondering what's going on with your engine? Co-pilot's Blue Mechanic has the answers. It can do an instant vehicle diagnosis, letting you know exactly what your check engine light means. Blue Mechanic also logs your vehicle alerts and maintenance history, saving you time and money on frequent checkups. And with a future software update, you'll be able to get maintenance reminders as well. Worried about your car while you're away? Co-pilot Securitycam guards your vehicle 24/7. It gives you real-time break-in alerts and video streams with Co-pilot's LTE, so you can react immediately and access saved videos in the cloud. How about tracking miles for work? Just use Co-pilot's Milesaver. Milesaver tracks your mileage and finds tax deductions. It also keeps track of your trips, categorizes them, and exports the log for tax filings. For drivers like Frank, Co-pilot makes life a lot easier. But this is just the beginning. Co-pilot is a software platform, so just like your smartphone, it'll receive over-the-air updates for more apps. Co-pilot uses open-source Panda firmware to communicate with your car. When we ship, you can install and run OpenPilot, so it will even enable highway autonomy for compatible cars. As a small team, we went through 4 years of iterations and development to get Co-pilot ready. We're now set to volume manufacture and deliver a high-quality product to you on time.
Co-pilot makes smart driving assistant technology accessible for everyone. We have the technical background, amazing and supportive partners, and experience as working drivers to build something that can be a true co-pilot for you. We've seen firsthand how Co-pilot can help drivers, and now we're on Kickstarter to continue growing the Co-pilot community. The funds we raise will be used for manufacturing and improving the Co-pilot even more. We made it this far thanks to our community of drivers. Join us, and we can bring the Co-pilot to the world.
Back us today and add Co-pilot to your drive.